Well, I just came out to see how the world is. It just had kind of rained in the forest. But as you can see, maybe, see if I can zoom in here. We got deer on the road. So, there's a deer right there eating. Yeah, I don't know if you can see her. Oh, see how she's doing. Are you a girl? Yeah, it's one of the girls. Oh, I think it's one of the twins that were born. They were born right here, actually. This is my rose bushes. Poor little rose bushes. They come over here and the deer just, chew them down too. Let's see. I've got stubbles. Oh, here's a little piece that they didn't get. If I can just put it over here, they'll come back by in a little bit and eat some more. Anyway, there's a lot of it. So, I believe that's the girls right there. Anyway, I just came because I wanted to see the new roof on the shed. So, he did the roof. A little pile of garbage he left, which is, he did a good job though. So, anyway, there's the deer. What's she eating? And her sister just went right over the hill. Yeah. And I can actually walk pretty dang close to her. But I don't want to. I don't want to bother her. She was so small when she was born.